I will show you how to log in multiple accounts on your X. Now, open your X application. Then click on the profile icon on the top left. Now, to log in another account, click on the three-dotted icon, and then you click on create account. Now, if you click on an existing account, right, this is going to give you only one option, username. So if you click on this area, you can clearly see I can only put my username, right? My username and password. But how about if I am only logging in, making use of the email? Now, if that is what you want, this video is for you. So click on the profile icon, click on the three-dotted icon next to the top area. Now you click on create new account. Now if you click on this, you are going to see option to log in with your email. So you click on continue with email, and then it's going to show all of the email available, and I am going to choose the exact one that I want. So there you go. It is going to log me in, and that is how to log in your account on TikTok, on X. But then if you want to log out, you just need to uninstall this application. When you uninstall this application, then you have successfully logged out. So I hope this video helped you. If it is, don't forget to smash like. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.